This stuff is amazingly hard. This is we have a very hard time and a lot of discussion before we were able to narrow down to what we wanted to work on. So I think really that's what stands out most to me, how long and how hard.
So it was interesting as, just from the start of this project, CI/CD as an end-to-end process includes things that are within our engineering control and things that are not. And some of the pain is outside of our area of control. So there are great learnings, but it's like when you see, if you see a house that is being built completely wrong, and it's like, well, I'd love to help work on it and fix it, but that's not my job. I don't work on houses. I do this other job. So to narrow down, first to take our 3 awesome ideas and choose only 2 of them was definitely a source of contention yesterday. And deciding what's in and out of the scope of CI/CD was an interesting discussion. But the good news was, with a little bit of voting and clarification of the goals, we were able to pick the 2. The 8-box sketching exercise was new to me, and that was fun. And
That was tough work.
Okay. The insight I got from yesterday is, I think this process is pretty well, and collecting different ideas from different folks around how we improve CI/CD, how we improve the things. I look at all the different ideas, different area we can improve. I'm very impressed by the scope and what people can think of. And we certainly will incorporate some of them, if not all of them, to the future roadmap. One insight I got yesterday is the discussion about the scope of CI/CD. I always thinking CI/CD is pretty big, but yesterday what Patrick and you guys make me realize is there's something that CI/CD does not touch. That's the post-production.